Hey Bertrand, this is Paul. So this is a packing gland like you have on the boat. This is your lock nut. This is your compression nut. This is what compresses the packing. So if you can't adjust it anymore, you don't need a new packing gland necessarily. God damn it. What you need is more packing. This is packing. Thunderbird probably has this stuff for you. Or if the Thunderbird doesn't have it, I can just about guarantee you Dukes will have it. You probably need 1/4-inch packing. And what you do is you wrap this stuff up inside here. And you can add a ring or two of this to what's already in your packing gland. And what happens when you tighten this nut down on this is chamfered. This is at an angle. So when you tighten that nut down, that packing is pushed towards the shaft. And the tighter you tighten the nut, the tighter it is on the shaft. You can tighten it so tight, that you can keep that shaft from moving. So you just tighten it to where the leak all but stops. It should be a calibrated leak. When the shaft's not moving, you should have 3 drops per minute going into the bottom of your boat, coming through your packing. That way your shaft is properly lubricated. If you tighten it to where it doesn't leak at all, then guess what? That burns your packing out. And that's probably what's happening, is you're probably tightening that too tight and burning your packing out, and then now you don't have any packing, and you think you need another one, because packing should last years between changes. So now unfortunately the amount of packing that you need is probably only $5 or $10 worth. If we send that to you overnight, send that to you by air freight, somebody's got to drive down to Nashville. That's a 2-hour drive minimum to the airport and 2-hour drive back. So that's $400 to get $15 worth of packing. So I think you need to source this at either Thunderbird or Duke Marine. So if this is 1/4-inch packing, that's the most common. That's probably what you have in your packing gland. So that's how you need to approach that. Otherwise, I'd be glad to send it to you, but I don't have anybody that can. At the very least, it takes us an hour. I have a guy that works down there on occasion, and at the very least, it takes him an hour to get to the airport, get it dropped off and back. So that would be $100. That's a little better, but I believe you can find this stuff up in Belize City or from Thunderbird Marine. Thank you.